Hi, I'm Simon and I'm a Misfit.
And I'm Adam and I'm a Misfit too.
Welcome back to our video series of how to make a concrete sculpture of an old pensioner sitting down feeding birds from his hands. In the last two videos we made the torso and also the legs and the arms for the sculpture out of big mesh. In this video we're going to show you how to attach them all together. To start off with, we're going to attach the legs to the torso. The easiest way to do it, if you place the legs over the edge of the table in a seating position, place the torso chest down over the legs with the edge of the leg lining up with the bottom of the torso. Before you tie anything in, just double check that the edge of the legs is in line with the edge of the torso and tie it in two places in the center of the leg. One here and one inch of towards the center. So now we have our torso attached to the legs and we can pivot it to find a nice natural position that he'll be sitting leaning forward. Now Adam's going to show us the next step, which is adding a piece of mesh to form the shape of the butt.
I want this butt flap to be as wide as the hips and the legs as well. So what I'm going to do is do a 2 square overlap underneath the legs, making sure that my piece is as wide as my hips. So after the 2 square overlap, I'm going to attach one prong on both legs to hold it in place. Now that that's in place, I'm going to bend my piece up and without distorting my angle of my torso, make sure that I have a nice round curvature for the butt. Once I have that, I'm going to attach in 2 more places in the back just to hold it in place.
And now we're going to tie in all of the prongs around each edge.
And to do this, we're going to fold this flap up here and attach that to the thigh. We're going to fold this in around the hip and connect all the prongs. Now that we filled in the butt area, we're going to close up this hole. Now we've taken a 9x9 square sheet and we're going to connect it where the center of the leg meets the body, come around right 1 square below your taper, and then come straight back across. And we're going to show you how to do that.
Now that the top line is attached, we're going to fold the bottom corner under the bottom here and fold the back under the butt as well, tie it in, and you'll notice there's a little kink here. We're going to cut a couple of squares to take that kink out. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to attach the arms. If you remember, we took the measurement from the top of Adam's shoulder to his elbow. This is exactly where we're going to attach it. We're going to attach it just in one place. This means that the arms and the legs also are still movable which means that we can refine its final position when we put him in place. So now we have all of the parts of the body connected. In the next video, we're going to show you how to make hands with the metal mesh. So until next time,
We'll see you Misfits later.